The PC Health Check app is Microsoft's official tool for system diagnostics, and I'll show you exactly how to download and install it in under 2 minutes. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the search bar. Type PC Health Check and press Enter. You'll want to click on the first result from Microsoft's official website. This ensures you're getting the legitimate application directly from the source. Once you're on the Microsoft support page, scroll down through the page content. You'll find a blue download button labeled Get PC Health Check App. Click this button to begin the download. The file is small, only a few megabytes, so the download should complete within seconds, depending on your internet connection. So, navigate to your Downloads folder and locate the PC Health Check Setup file. Double-click to launch the installer. A user account control prompt may appear. Click Yes to proceed. In the Setup window, you'll see the license agreement. Check the box that says I accept the terms in the license agreement, then click the Install button. The installation process takes approximately 10 to 15 seconds. Once you see Setup successful, you'll notice a checkbox option labeled as Shortcut to Desktop. If you want quick access to PC Health Check from your desktop, tick this checkbox before proceeding. Then, click Finish to complete the installation. The PC Health Check app will automatically open after installation. You'll immediately see your system status with a Check Now button to run a comprehensive compatibility scan for Windows 11. You now have PC Health Check installed and ready to use.